Wanda fertilizers are synonymous with reliability, quality and a commitment to your future harvests. Today we will delve into the choice between crystal and liquid fertilizers, their unique characteristics and when each is best suited. Wanda crystal fertilizers offer a wide range of formulas, each designed for specific plant needs. Individual fertilizers may contain micronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, as well as micronutrients such as iron, magnesium, boron and other essential elements depending on the specific needs of the crop and its growth stage. These fertilizers dissolve rapidly in water and are suitable for drip irrigation, foliar application and fertigation. They excel in large-scale applications such as orchards, fields or greenhouses. It's crucial to follow the recommended guidelines to avoid damaging plants. Wanda liquid fertilizers are easy to use as they dissolve quickly in water. For optimal results, it is essential to adhere to the proportions specified in the instructions. Their composition includes chelated micronutrients that stimulate root system growth. Wanda liquid fertilizers are designed for efficient crop nutrition. Thanks to their balanced formula, they are ideal for applications through modern drip irrigation systems or agricultural equipment, ensuring even distribution and rapid nutrient uptake. A wide range of products allow you to select the optimal composition for various crops and stages of their development. For positive results, liquid fertilizers should be used according to the manufacturer's recommendations. How to choose the right Wanda fertilizer for your needs? Wanda offers a wide selection to suit various needs. Crystals – high concentration, long shelf life, ideal for large areas. Liquids – ready to use, rapid absorption, convenient for smaller volumes. However, the primary consideration should be the specific needs of your crops. For example, for cereals, vegetables or industrial crops, you should pay attention to the ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. While for fruit trees, the content of micronutrients like boron and iron is crucial. Choose Wanda fertilizers and ensure proper care for your plants. Share in the comments which fertilizers you use and subscribe to our channel to learn more about growing field crops, vegetables and fruit trees.